In this presentation we are going to look at irrational numbers. So, given that x is an irrational positive number, the square root of 2, the first question is, express x to the power of 8 in binary notation. Next we're asked, is x to the power of 8 a rational number? And finally we're asked to write the following expression, 1 over x, the whole expression there, 1 over x cubed, in the form 2 to the power of y, where y is a rational number. So the first question is, express x to the power of 8 in binary notation. So x is the square root of 2, so we have the square root of 2 to the power of 8, and that is equal to 2 to the power of 4, and that is equal to 16. And the binary equivalent of 16 is 1000. Now I decided just to sort of keep this presentation short and sweet, so you can look at some of the other videos to decide check how that would be done. So the binary equivalent of 16 is 1000. Okay, so that's the first part done. Now the second part is x to the power of 8 a rational number? Well, we've seen before that x to the power of 8 is 16. And that is, 16 is an integer, and all integers are rational numbers. So, is x to the power of 8 a rational number? Yes, it is. Okay, and that Q symbol there, that is to indicate that it is a member of the rational numbers set. Okay, so finally what we're going to do is write 1 over x to the cubed in the form 2 to the power of y, where y is an element of Q. So first off, we'll just put in our value square root, the square root of 2 into that expression there. So we have 1 over x to be cubed is 1 over the square root of 2 to be cubed. Okay, so what we're going to do now is re-express 1 over the square root of 2. That is equal to that is equal to 2 to the power of minus a half. The square root of a number is that number to the power of a half, and also the fact that it's 1 over that 1 over something means that minus sign is there. So we have 2 to the power of minus a half, then we have to put that to the power of 3. So this is one of the power laws. So 2 to the power of minus a half to be cubed is simply 2 to the power of minus 3 over 2. So we have, that is the answer to the question there. Write 1 over x to be cubed in that form. So that's it in that form there. I'll just highlight that again. And not actually explicitly asked, but I'll just make it clear. Y is minus 3 over 2. And that is indeed a quotient number, the quotient of 2 integer values. And that ends our presentation.